Hello, P4. Welcome back to IP English Time. It is time for lesson number 5 with your teacher, Teacher Lisa. Let's get started. So, today's lesson, lesson 5, we will look at the verb to be, but in the past simple tense. We are going to look at was and were. When do we use what? Okay, first let's review who is who. When I do this, I point to myself. Who is it? I. Next one, I point at you. You're a student and I point at you. Who is this? It's Teacher Joe. And when I point at him, he. Teacher Joe is a boy. He. Who is this? Teacher Haley. And when I point at her, she. Haley is a girl. She. Now I point at Teacher Joe and Teacher Haley. They. They. One teacher, two teachers, they. Now in this picture we see Teacher Joe, Teacher Lisa, Teacher Haley. We. We. I and you and you and you is we. Next one, I have a book. I point at the book. It. It is a book. Okay. Now when do we use was? When something happened before, in the past, yesterday, last week. So was is used in a sentence with I was, he was, she was, it was. And the last one, mom. Mom is a woman, she. So mom was. Now, when do we use were? You were. We were. They were. Mom and dad were. Mom and dad, two people, they. Mom and dad were. Now it's time for some examples. Let's fill in the blanks. I want you to think with me. Was or were. We're going to choose was or were. Okay, are you ready? Let's read together. It's sunny. Do you remember it was or it were? 1, 2, 3. It was sunny. It was sunny. Okay, number 2, let's read. The children sat. Okay, the children. The children. That's multiple people, so they were or they was. Do you remember? The children were sad. Okay, number 3. The girl hungry. The girl is a she. She was or she were. The girl was hungry. Okay, the girl was hungry. Number 4, let's read. The boy thirsty. The boy thirsty. The boy is a he. He was thirsty or he were thirsty. The boy was thirsty. The boy was thirsty. Okay, number 5, the last one. Are you ready? Let's read. Mom and dad cold. Mom and dad cold. Mom and dad they. Mom and dad is the same as they. They was cold or they were cold. 1, 2, 3. They were cold. They were cold. Okay, very good. Now it's time to get a pencil. Get an eraser and get your class book. Get a pencil, eraser, and class book. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's start. Open your class book on page number 5. Page number 5. We are going to do section 3. Section 3. Okay, let's start. We are going to read and then think, is it true or false? Correct or incorrect? Is it true? Yes. Or is it false? Nope. Let's look at number 1. It was sunny. It was sunny. Is that true or false? If you look at the picture, is it sunny? Yes, it's true. It was sunny. Okay, number 2. The children were sad. The children were sad. Look at the picture. I see a boy and a girl. Are they sad? Yes or no? True or false? False. The boy and the girl look really, really happy. Okay, number 3. The girl was hungry. The girl was hungry. Is that true or false? Let's have a look. The girl, oh, she is eating a sandwich. The girl was hungry. True. The girl was hungry. That's very, very true. Okay, number 4. The boy was thirsty. The boy was thirsty. Let's look. What is the boy doing in the picture? Ah, he was drinking. The boy was thirsty. True or false? True. The boy was thirsty. That's why he was drinking. Number 5. Mom and Dad were cold. Mom and Dad were cold. Is that true or false? True or false? Let's have a look. They were at the beach. And I see Dad with the book and he's like, is he cold? Is Mom cold? Mom and Dad were cold. True or false? False. When I look at this picture, I see they are hot. Okay, good job, P4. Now, it is time for your homework. Let's get your workbook. If you have your workbook ready, go to page number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Section 3. This one. Page number 5, section 3. I will explain to you what to do. I want you to write was or were. Look at the picture, read, and think was or were. I'll show you number 1. Yesterday, James and Polly were at the beach with their mom and dad. Yesterday, James and Polly were at the beach with their mom and dad. James and Polly is they. They were at the beach with their mom and dad. Okay, it's time to do your homework. And we will do a homework check later today. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you again in our next video. Look out for our next video. It's coming your way soon. Goodbye.